Yo, what's up? This is your MC here, name on my dashboard next to me. I'm from the CDCS 2644A with my student ID of 2023 241026. Now, for my podcast today, I would like to showcase a ERP system named Flowlu. Now, financial module is important for ERP system because it mainly has a lot of focus on transactions and is mostly for centralizing all of the financials of the organizations into one single place. Now, for Flowlu, we have three main parts in the finance module. First is the analysis reporting part, where we can see the cash flow and the profit and loss. While for the operations, we can also include general money transactions, which is the manual transactions of bank transfers and internet movements. They are not specific to invoices. The three main documents included are the invoices, recurring invoices, and the estimates. Now, let me explain. Now, I will demonstrate about the finance module. However, first off, I need to mention that usually in finance module, it is connected to CRM, which is the customer relationship management. So you can see that in the CRM here, there is organizations and contacts. So we can see that one of the organization, for the example, is Bioengineering Works, and we have the details and the email so that we can proceed with the finance. So first, we want to create an invoice by clicking Finance and Invoices. Let us create a new invoice. So the product will be for the engineering scenario, right? We will do part installation at a cost of 2,000 ringgit. Remember, invoices are a single time thing, so one time thing. So here we can actually edit. So here you can mention the customer notes. Maybe you want to say thank you for doing your services and whatnot. This is your terms and conditions. Maybe there is SOPs you need to apply. And then here, if you want to add more products to the invoice, and if you click on custom templates, the Flowlu system actually allows you to create custom templates. So far there is two types: invoices in international and Germany. If you click on them, you can actually see what they will present on the customer's page. You can also add signatures if you want and edit to your consent, and you can also import from your local computer. So here, after you've done the invoice, you can first record your payment with transaction. So here is 2,000 ringgit, and that means that the organization had give you 2,000 ringgit, and you can also do a refund for the invoice, like so. Here will be mentioned about the status, whether the invoice is being paid or not. And then we will go towards the money operation, where we can see the money in the total organization. And then we will go towards cash flow and profit and loss to mention about the cost. Here you can see the cash flow, what goes in, what goes out, and we can see profit and loss here. So 22,000 is the total of 20,000 plus 2,000, as you can see in the invoice here. Here you can see what is the amount that is issued and paid. Right now, the organization only paid us 20k, but they need to pay us another 2,000 based on one of the invoices that they did. Here you can see the statistics, created and paid. This is the person who created the invoice, and that is it from the finance module. Last but not least, I will actually be explaining what are the interesting modules that are found in Flowlu. Now, the three main parts. Is first one is the CRM, customer relationship management module. It's essential for every other module for functionality to maintain a database of customer interaction. The second one is the project management module, where it is designed to manage complete set of tasks, plan project deadlines, and track budgets to ensure efficient project delivery. So you can use things like Gantt charts and Kanban boards to monitor, and it is actually a major strength to link to the finance module that allows you to track project profitability in real time. The last module is the knowledge base module. This module is basically an internal library where it saves all your SOPs. Basically, it's like a wiki. So it saves all the information. Maybe, for example, the process of repairing pipes, there is a procedure. So you can, instead of messaging your client, it is inside this knowledge base module. And that is it for this video. Thank you for coming to my podcast. Assalamualaikum.